Hello there, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a delightful recipe for you, red bean soup with tangerine peel. It's a classic dessert that will warm your heart and tantalize your taste buds. Let's jump right in. To start, we'll soak the tangerine peel in hot water overnight. Once it's nicely softened, we'll slice the peels and reserve the soaked water. Next, we'll take a pot and pour in the tangerine peel soaked water along with some additional water. This will infuse our soup with a lovely citrus aroma. We'll bring it to a rolling boil before adding in the red beans, which have been soaked overnight, and the dried lotus seeds. We'll turn up the heat and wait for it to reach a boil, then reduce it to a gentle simmer. Cover the pot and let it cook for about an hour. After that, it's time to add in the rock sugar and the sliced tangerine peel. We'll continue cooking for another hour, stirring occasionally to ensure nothing sticks to the bottom of the pot. As the soup simmers, it will gradually thicken and develop a luscious texture. And there you have it! Your bean soup with tangerine peel is now ready to be served and enjoyed. It's a perfect treat to indulge in, whether it's for dessert or a comforting snack. I encourage you to give this recipe a try and share your thoughts with me. Your feedback is invaluable. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you next time with another delicious recipe.